Hello everyone, welcome to another series of today's GK. Let's begin with previous day practice question. Question was with reference to science and technology, the Soil Moisture Active Passive or SMAP mission is associated with which of the following countries? China, Japan, USA or India? The correct answer is option C, USA. NASA's Soil Moisture Active Passive or SMAP mission orbits Earth collecting information about moisture in the soil. It measures the amount of water in the top 2 inches of soil everywhere on Earth's surface. It can also tell if the water within the soil is frozen or thawed. SMAP's measurements will help scientists understand where and how quickly the permafrost is thawing. Hence, option C is correct. Now let's begin today's session. First question is, consider the following statements regarding the e-rupee, that is digital rupee. 1. It would be similar to the sovereign paper currency albeit digital. 2. It can be converted to any commercial bank money or cash. Which of the above given statement or statements is or are not correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2 or neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is option D, neither 1 nor 2. That is, both the statements are correct. Recently, the Reserve Bank of India, that is RBI, floated a concept note enumerating the objectives, choices, benefits and risks of issuing central bank digital currencies or CBDC or e-rupee, that is digital rupee in India. The apex regulator defines CBDC as a legal tender issued by the central bank in digital form. It would be similar to the sovereign paper currency albeit digital. Hence, statement 1 is correct. Further, digital rupee would be accepted as a legal tender and serve as a medium of payment and a safe store of value and would move away from the competitive mining of cryptocurrencies to an algorithm-based process. The digital rupee can be converted to any commercial bank money or cash. Hence, statement 2 is correct. Therefore, option D is correct. It would be a fungible legal tender for which holders need not have a bank account, hence strengthening the cause of financial inclusion. Next question is, which of the following best describes the cryptojacking? Cryptocurrency, mining technique, oil exploration tool or cyber attack? The correct answer is option D, cyber attack. According to a report, cryptojacking attacks on computer systems have gone up by 30% to 66.7 million in the first half of 2022 compared to the first half of last year. Cryptojacking is a cyber attack wherein a computing device is hijacked and controlled by the attacker and its resources are used to illicitly mine cryptocurrency. Hence, option D is correct. The crackdown on ransomware attacks is forcing cyber criminals to look for alternative methods. Cryptojacking involves lower risk and promises potentially higher payday. Next question is, which of the following is not correct about the next generation launch vehicle? It will replace the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. It will feature fully cryogenic propulsion. It will be 3-stage to orbit reusable heavy lift vehicle, or it will have the payload capability of 10 tons to geostationary transfer orbit. The correct answer is option B. It will feature fully cryogenic propulsion. The Indian Space Research Organization or ISRO is developing a next generation launch vehicle, that is NGLV. It will replace operational systems like the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle or PSLV. In NGLV, ISRO is understood to be looking at a cost-efficient 3-stage to orbit reusable heavy lift vehicle with a payload capability of 10 tons to geostationary transfer orbit. It will feature semi-cryogenic propulsion, refined kerosene as fuel with liquid oxygen, that is LOX as oxidizer for the booster stages, which is cheaper and efficient. Hence, option B is correct. Potential uses will be in the areas of launching communication satellites, deep space missions, future human space flight and cargo missions. Next question is, Machupalli Kaifat is associated with which of the following classical dances of India? Kuchipudi, Bharatnatyam, Kathakali or Kathak? The correct answer is option A, Kuchipudi. The third World Kuchipudi Natyotsam was started in Vijayawada recently. Kuchipudi, a preeminent Indian classical dance form counted among leading classical dance forms of India, is a dance drama performance art that originated in a village of Krishna district of Andhra Pradesh, India. This ancient dance form finds place in the 10th century copper inscriptions and in 15th century texts like Machupalli Kafath. Hence, option A is correct. Usually, performance repertoire of Kuchipudi that is broadly oriented on Lord Krishna and the tradition of Vaishnavism include an invocation, Dharavu that is short dance, Nrit or pure dance, and Nritya expressive dance respectively. While a male character wears dhoti, a female character wears a colorful sari. The musical instruments usually include cymbals, mridangam, tambura, veena and flute. Next question is, with reference to Indian polity, which of the following is not correct about the consultative committees? They are attached to various ministries and departments of the central government. They consist of members of Lok Sabha only. They are constituted by the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, or the membership of these committees is voluntary. The correct answer is option B. They consist of members of Lok Sabha only. Consultative committees are attached to various ministries and departments of the central government. They consist of members of both the houses of parliament. The minister or minister of state in charge of the ministry concerned acts as the chairman of the consultative committee of that ministry. These committees are constituted by the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. These guidelines regarding the composition, functions, and procedures of these committees are formulated by this ministry. The membership of these committees is voluntary and is left to the choice of the members and the leaders of their parties. The maximum membership of a committee is 30 and the minimum is 10. These committees are normally constituted after the new Lok Sabha is constituted after general elections for the Lok Sabha. Hence, option B is correct. Next question is, Durgavati Tiger Reserve is proposed to be set up in which of the following states? Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh or Madhya Pradesh? The correct answer is option D, Madhya Pradesh. Recently, Madhya Pradesh Wildlife Board has approved a new reserve for tigers of Panna Tiger Reserve, that is PTR. This proposal will be sent to National Tiger Conservation Authority or NTCA for its final approval. 1/4 of the PTR will be submerged due to the interlinking of Ken-Betwa rivers. The new tiger reserve of 2,339 square kilometer will be spread over Narsinghpur, Damoh and Sagar districts. It will be called Durgavati Tiger Reserve. Hence, option D is correct. A green corridor connecting PTR to Durgavati will be developed for the natural movement of tigers in the new reserve. Next question is, recently the 22nd World Blockchain Summit was organized in New York, Paris, Dubai or Geneva. The correct answer is option C, Dubai. Recently, the 22nd World Blockchain Summit was organized in Dubai. Hence, option C is correct. It is one of the most exclusive gatherings of the global crypto and blockchain ecosystem. The conference is attended by leading crypto investors, policymakers, prominent government representatives from around the world to promote crypto and blockchain. Blockchain technology is a platform on which records of any digital currency or digital thing can be stored. Simply put, blockchain is a digital ledger. Next question is, Mission Life is related to vaccination of animals, climate change, school education or safety of patients. The correct answer is option B, climate change. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Mission Life, that is lifestyle for environment. Life mission is made up of two words, lifestyle and environment. The goal of this mission is to try to reduce the impact of climate change. Hence, option B is correct. 3 rules have been made for this: reduce, reuse and recycle. This mission democratizes the fight against climate change, in which everyone can contribute according to their ability. Next question is, the 5th Khelo India Youth Games will be organized in which of the following states? Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Karnataka or Andhra Pradesh? The correct answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Recently, Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Anurag Thakur said that the upcoming edition of Khelo India Youth Games will be organized in Madhya Pradesh. Hence, option A is correct. This sports competition will commence from 31st January 2023 and will end on 11th February 2023. This will be the 5th edition of these games with a total of 27 events. For the first time in the history of these sports, water sports are also being included. Last question is, the headquarters of Interpol is located in which of the following countries? Denmark, France, Germany or Italy? The correct answer is option B, France. Recently, Prime Minister addressed the 90th Interpol General Assembly in New Delhi. Interpol or International Criminal Police Organization is an intergovernmental organization which was established in the year 1923. It includes 195 member countries. It helps police forces in member countries to better coordinate their actions. It enables member countries to share and access data on crimes and criminals. Its headquarters is in Lyon, France. Hence, option B is correct. Now it's time for the practice question. With reference to the Reserve Bank Innovation Hub, consider the following statements. 1. It is a wholly owned subsidiary of the Bank Boards Bureau. 2. It was set up to facilitate an environment that accelerates innovation across the financial sector. Which of the above given statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.